Good morning. We are on the trail and we got dropped off by our shuttle driver at mile marker. I don't even know. This is a little bit confusing. We're actually going southbound. We're slack packing today.
Mile 328.9.
We're at mile 328.9 and we're going to 314, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're slack packing and we're going back, and then he'll pick us up at mile marker 314, take us back to the Joshua Inn. So that's what we're doing today.
With ultralight packs.
Yeah,
Slack packing.
yeah, just our food and water and essentials. Anyway, we are at Silverwood Lake, I think.
Yes, we'll be coming into the lake here in a minute.
Yes. Well, there is Lake Silverwood.
It's so funny. That sounds awesome. I bet you see, I don't know, the animals are just putting stirring and it's just so beautiful and serene and this is that winter period. That's awesome.
And there's some other flowers, maybe similar, but more red.
So the trail has just been really nice. Just going around Silverwood Lake. And it's absolutely beautiful. Really enjoying it this morning.
Look at this pretty bush.
Wow. Gorgeous.
There's the silver sparkles, Silverwood Lake.
It is sparkling. That is crazy.
I smell this one. I don't smell these ones. Oh, I love water. I love a lake. I love a creek. I love a river.
Dory's up there talking about how much she loves water and rivers and lakes and creeks, and she's cracking me up.
Hello.
Little individual flowers.
They're so pretty.
Yeah. So we just turned a corner and there's a chair. It's broken, but I guess if
Looks
you...
like it would hold you up.
Yeah. Anyway, that's kind of random. That is great. Taking a little break there in the chair. Yeah. Got a little log crossing situation.
Ooh, that bush is wide open with the yellow flowers. Look at all of that. So bright. So pretty.
Yeah, because we're out here in trees.
How's that for a nice looking break spot? We've been hiking a couple hours. Not quite 4 miles yet, but it's a nice flat spot and we're ready for a little break.
I wonder if they nest under here.
I don't know if this is going to come across on camera, but there's hundreds of little birds, and I would imagine that there probably is a nest under this bridge. But they're so cute. They're just like right. Sometimes we can see them.
Yeah, they're all kind of coming up here. There's got to be a bunch of I wonder if we can see it from the other side or something.
And there's ducks and Canadian geese down there in the little creek. We don't know what this helicopter is doing. Looks like he's got a line.
Now he's tethering. He's going back to
Little road crossing here. There goes the PCT around the curve and around the ridge.
So we keep passing people and they're asking, are you guys going the wrong way? Which does kind of feel like we're going the wrong way. Well, we are going the wrong way. It's just kind of funny. We keep passing people and explaining we're slack packing. Got dropped off at 1:28 and we're headed, or one whatever, or not one, 300, 3 whatever to 3:14. Anyway, yeah.
Hey, buddy. Hello. Hello. How are you today? Huh?
Hi, Nero.
Ah, sweetheart. You're so sweet. You're a good hiker.
Nero is so sweet.
She's not going.
No.
Now she goes. That's cute.
Look how bright the yellow is, and then some of that lilac in there too. Makes the trail just beautiful. Don't know what's hanging under it or what they're doing.
These yellow flowers are so pretty, and I swear I think they smell like cucumbers or something. That's all I keep smelling is cucumbers. Now, I don't really like cucumbers, but I like the smell of cucumbers. I like pickles, but anyway, yeah, I think they smell like cucumbers.
There's Rock Clipper and Super Bloom. And Do-si-do with their umbrella. Just keep hiking, just keep hiking, just keep hiking. So we're in the last mile of this slack packing day, and I gotta say, 15 miles slack pack, not bad terrain, sounded easy peasy, piece of cake. I'm gonna tell you what, 15 miles is still 15 miles, and we're getting stronger. Our legs are carrying us further, but 15 miles is still a long ways, and I'm tired. Can't wait to be done, get something to drink, and yeah, just thought I'd throw that out there.
Alright, so we made it back to Highway 173, and so now we'll just wait for Alan, the shuttle driver, to come pick us up. Although it kind of looks like there's a good bit of hikers on the ride. Okay, we have made it back to Joshua Inn. Now we're gonna go order some food. Look at my
Your hat, look at my hair stand straight up.
oh,
But it's clean. I did take a shower today
Yeah, I did not.
because the wind is blowing and it's an outdoor shower and it was kind of cold.
Yeah, I haven't had a
didn't
shower.
recommend it. We'll get one tomorrow.
Gosh, 5 days maybe. I don't know what tomorrow. I'll get a shower tomorrow night.
She doesn't stink that bad. I'm still over here close to her. It's okay.
No, I stink. It's bad. Anyway, we had a good day. Very easy trail.
But it still seemed a whole lot harder than I
Yeah,
thought.
well, it's 15 miles.
Like I
15
said.
miles is 15 miles, whether you're carrying a pack or not. I mean, we carried a pack, just wasn't very heavy. Anyway, we're getting up again early in the morning, and we'll have a shuttle back to where we got on
Started
this
today,
morning.
Only we'll go the other direction.
Yeah, today we went south. Tomorrow we'll go north. I know it's very confusing, but anyway, we're headed to Cajon Pass tomorrow and McDonald's. That's just like a huge deal. Everyone wants to go to McDonald's because there's McDonald's at Cajon Pass, so that's where we're headed. And I think we've got a hotel room for tomorrow night. Anyway, that's all. I don't know what the
Huh?
elevation was or anything.
I know we did 14 point something miles. Anyway, yeah, we did close to 15 miles.
Yeah,
I think we did 14.9 or something.
I don't know what the elevation gain and loss was, but anyway.
We are still at the Joshua Inn, which is close to mile 314 point something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
It's getting colder.
Yeah, we're going to go get in our tents.
Good night.